Hello, my name is Courage, and like the topic stated here, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make more sales using Facebook adverts. Of course, for your business, it could be Facebook advert or Instagram advert. It's the same thing, it belongs to the same company. Yeah. So I'm going to show you just a simple thing that you need to start doing or start implementing in your business that is going to double or triple your sales without wasting a lot of time. Okay, so please guys, I will kindly ask you that you like this video, give this video a thumbs up so that more people get to see the video, right? The more likes this video gets, the more eyes this video is going to get, right? So yeah, once you've liked this video, let's go. So if the goal of your business is to make some money while serving quality products and services to your customers, then you may have to consider advertising, right? You have to consider advertising. So creating ads that appeal to your audience is one of the fastest ways to achieve your sales target, right? And get more customers through the door. I mean, you are in business to make sales. You are in business to make profits. And for you to make this profit, you need to get customers through the door. You need to convert your prospects into paying customers. And then you need to make sure that these customers are treated well so that they continually buy from you. They continuously buy from you. All right. Now, the first step is to convert them from prospects to customers. And you can achieve this faster via advertising. It's not as difficult as most of you think. I've made series of videos on this channel about Facebook adverts, and I'm going to link them below. But in this very video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can structure your adverts to get more people buying from you. All right, that's what we are going to focus on in this very video. Now, there are many platforms through which you can advertise. However, in this video, we shall be looking at the biggest, of course, which is Facebook and Instagram. Yeah. And if you observe what's going on recently, you see that videos are taking over everywhere. Videos are taking over everywhere. TikTok is rising. There are many TikTok influencers now. Most young people, the younger generation, the Gen Z, and even the older people, the adults, yeah, everyone is, the TikTok frenzy, the trends and stuff. It's taking over short videos. If you observe very well, you will see that everything is drifting towards video. Video content creators are on the rise. They are on the rise, yeah. And recently, Instagram stated that they are no longer a photo sharing app. What does this tell you? It means that they are now paying more attention to videos. Videos are doing better than photos. People want to be entertained. People are there to, just ease off stress, relax, just laugh, entertained, get informed, and stuff like that. Yeah. And now, if you notice, the rise of TikTok actually moved Instagram to introduce Reels. And now Reels is actually doing fine, but then TikTok is still on the rise. So Instagram is now paying more attention to videos. In fact, it gets to a point that they are going to be showing you videos of people who you are not following. Like, you are not following this person is not following you, but their videos would start appearing on your profile. It's happening with the Reels. You see the reel column as you are scrolling through your IG profile. You see the reel column there. Those videos there, you are not following those people, but Instagram is now suggesting those videos for you, right? Because they are beginning to pay more attention to videos. Now, this is where you come in as a business owner. This is where you come in as a business owner, right? How does this concern you? Let's see. So it's time for you to shift your attention, shift your focus from creating captivating photos and this and that to start making videos. You have to start creating attractive and interesting videos, right? Not just any kind of video, but your video has to be structured in such a way that it will attract the right audience. It will attract the right people that you want for your business. Okay? Let your videos be loaded with value. There has to be a way that you will differentiate yourself from others who are in the same niche with you. You have to differentiate yourself from other people who are in the same line of business with you. And the best way to do this is to ensure that your videos are loaded with value. Your videos are made in such a way that it is difficult to skip. How do you do this? Let's see. You make a short video, preferably 1 to 2 minutes long. It shouldn't be it shouldn't be too long anyway, right? It shouldn't be too long. You educate people about your products and services. Don't just make a video for the sake of making a video. If you sell a phone, you educate people about phones, about the kind of phone that they need to have, about why they should go for this kind of phone, about the battery life. Do you understand? You give them, in just a short video, tell them about the battery life, tell them about the AirPod, tell them about the storage capacity, just educate them and give them options. All right? Don't just come and tell them, hi, I sell this kind of phone, come and buy phone. It's boring. Educate them on the phone. Tell them the difference between this phone and this phone. Tell them why they should get this one. Tell them the battery capacity and how long they can play a song, or how long they can play music with this phone, how long the phone can last on standby. Do you understand? And tell them if the memory is expandable. Just come do your own research. Since you sell this phone, you should know what people are looking out for before they buy a phone. What is the camera quality? What kind of picture does it take? You can just take pictures with the phone in the video just to show them the quality and stuff, right? It's as simple as that. It's not difficult. So after you have done that, you make them an offer. Like if you are getting this phone today at this price, we are going to give you this stuff here for free. Do you understand? You make them an offer. After you've made them an offer, the next thing is to give a call to action. Don't always assume that people know what to do. Do not assume that they know what to do or that they've seen what to do. Always give them a call to action. If you don't have a website, you can tell them to click on this link here to purchase or to book a consultation or whatever, right? But if you don't have a website, if you want them to send you a DM, state it clearly. Click here to send a DM. Send us a DM now. Now, if you want them to send you a message on WhatsApp, let the WhatsApp stuff be there. Tell them, send the message on WhatsApp and we're here to attend to you. Always give a clear call to action. Do not give 2 call to action together. Always give 1 call to action. If you want them to send you a DM, tell them, kindly send a DM and we'll attend to you. Then leave your number also there. But don't tell them to call or send a WhatsApp. Just leave the number there. Some of them are going to call. But let the call to action be one. Then use that video to create an advert on Facebook or Instagram. All right? If you don't know how to create adverts that converts, I have series of videos on advert. I'm going to link them in the description below. So after watching this video now, you go there and see the videos I've made on how to run profitable Facebook adverts for your business. You're going to see the videos in the description below. So after watching this video, make sure you go check it out. Yeah. So use that video to create an advert for your business. Remember, videos convert better than pictures. Start making use of videos henceforth. If you want to sell more of your product, use videos, educate your audience, show how the product works. Don't tell them. Show. By showing, I mean, come on video and show them how this phone works. If you are selling this phone, if you are selling something else, show them how it works. If you're selling a power bank, show them how it works. Whatever it is you're selling, show them how it works. Show them the difference between this phone and this phone. There have to be a difference. Show them the difference between these 2 phones. Tell them why this one is more powerful, how long it lasts, the battery capacity, everything, the inbuilt memory, everything, the photo quality, the video quality, how to set up your photos. You are going to be the only one doing this in your niche. People are going to be more attracted to you because you are helping them. They see that you are helping them. Do you understand? They feel that you are helping them. And what are you doing? You are building trust. Yes, you are building trust. All right? Ensure that your phone number is visible because some people are going to likely call you. Right? Then ensure that you target the right audience. Always target the right audience so that you don't just waste money on ads. If you are selling a phone, go to the ads platform there on Facebook. Type in phone gadget stuff. You're going to see different, then click on the suggestion box. You're going to see different targeting options on what you're selling. All right? Target the right audience. Then give the ad 3 to 5 days to be optimized. Don't just set up ads today and tomorrow you think it's not working. Give it time to be optimized. Usually it takes a longer time, right? It takes about 2 weeks. It takes about 2 weeks to be fully optimized. And once it is optimized, make sure that you have money to continue running the adverts. You are going to benefit greatly from it. Yeah? Great. Now, if you follow these steps and do it correctly, I assure you that you're going to sell more in less time. Use videos henceforth. Short, educative videos. While other businesses are focused on just selling without offering much value, you are doing the opposite. You are educating your audience, you are building trust, and you are closing the sales. Fantastic. Fantastic, man. The business that educates more will always win. Take it from me. The business that educates more will always win. Ask anyone about this. So don't just run ads. Create videos. Not just any kind of video, but valuable videos. Educate your audience and they will trust you more. Guess what? When the trust is established, selling becomes easier. So henceforth, if you want to make more sales using adverts, use videos. Create short, engaging, educational or educative videos. And I assure you, you are going to make more sales. Right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below and I'm going to be there to attend to you. And if you'd like to learn how to run adverts on Facebook, to your WhatsApp, to Instagram, to whatever, I will link them in the description below. You go there, check those videos out, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.